ito yung first time na magkaroon ng official merchandise si BIMC 2024. Actually, last year pa namin nagpa-participate kami with them. So, we produced na rin yung kanilang Marshall jersey last year. So, tested na nila yung comfort. So, gusto nilang magkaroon ng official na safety innerwear. So, syempre, kung komportable lahat ng rider, hindi ka mahihirapan mag-ride, hindi ka maiilang, pag napawisan ka, pag nabasa ka, madali kang matuyo. So, comfort ang hinahabol natin dito. Comfort for all the riders, particularly with the participants ng BIMC 2024. So, we are going to Mindanao and North, Subic, both event, ando doon ng Dry Plus. And we will also have the finishers merchandise. We will have the BIMC 2024 merchandise t-shirt, premium jackets, tapos yung balaklava. We will be releasing the Dry Plus Endurance Collection. So lalabas na namin dito yung special socks for boots and the riding boots. Lahat yan, good for 24 hours ride yan. So these are light compression with the Hexa cushion and of course treated with the Dry Plus Quick Dry Protection. That ayan yung para wala kang microbial buildup sa lahat ng gagamitin natin. Particularly during the endurance ride, not just during the BIMC, but for all the endurance ride.